Comasco is the dealer and distributor of Potain cranes, the leading manufacturer of tower and folding construction cranes worldwide. The company offers over 40 models of cranes that provides the unique requirements and features of each construction project, including private construction, saturated construction, skyscrapers, large construction sites with multiple cranes, quick and easy installation in crowded urban areas, industrial construction, and more. Each project has its own Potain, internal and external climbing cranes and tie-in tower cranes. External anchorage, the unique solution of an internal or external climbing crane that reduces the cost of the project and saves time. Potain provides tower cranes, MD, MC, MR models, and more. Potain cranes are designed to provide high productivity and excel in having the most advanced control systems, fast assembly and dismantling processes, efficiency, lifting capacity, and outstanding performance with unmatched reliability. All these accompanied by Comasco service with the low operating costs of the workflow and reliability of the cranes. Comasco, at your service 24/7.